What if your next device had no screen? No taps, no swipes, just voice, presence, and pure AI. Sounds crazy, right? But Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI and legendary Apple designer Jony Ive are teaming up to make this real. And if what they are building works, it won't just compete with your smartphone, it might replace it. Let me break this down. The big news. OpenAI has officially acquired Jony Ive's hardware company called IO for a staggering $6.5 billion. dollars. That's not just a tech partnership, that's a full blown moonshot. Jony Ive, the guy who designed the iPhone, iPod, and Apple Watch, is now designing AI hardware at scale for OpenAI. Their goal? To launch a completely new kind of AI device, and they want to ship 100 million units fast. What is this device? Here's what we know so far: no screen, size of an iPod shuffle, voice plus camera powered, runs a personalized AI assistant using ChatGPT. It's not a phone, it's not a handset. It's something new, designed to reduce screen time and blend into your daily life. Think of it like a third core device, not replacing your laptop or phone, but working alongside them to give you ambient, intelligent interaction with AI. You wear it, it listens, it thinks, it responds. So the next question is why this collaboration matters. Sam Altman brings the AI, Jony Ive brings the elegance. Together, they are aiming for the holy grail, a tech product that's intelligent, invisible, and intuitive. Jony Ive has spent his life designing devices that change the way we live. Altman is bringing the models that define the future of intelligence. This is more than just hardware, it's a philosophy. They believe AI should be useful, not addictive. So, what does this mean for you? You may no longer need to stare at a screen to access powerful AI. Your next assistant might be something you clip on, not something you tap on. This could change how we communicate, remember, work, and move. Imagine walking into a room and your device knows where you are, who's around you, and what you need without you lifting a finger. We are talking real time translation, context aware assistants, ambient reminders, and more, all while keeping your eyes on the real world, not buried in your phone. So, what the world is saying? Tech giants are paying attention. Even Google's CEO Sundar Pichai reportedly praised the move. But not everyone's convinced. Skeptics say, will users really give up screens? Can a new device category succeed in today's saturated market? Is this innovation or hype? But remember this, people doubted the iPhone too. So, what are my final thoughts? This isn't just about gadgets, it's about rethinking how we live with AI. Sam Altman and Jony Ive aren't just building a product, they are launching a movement. So, here's the question for you: would you give up your screen for a smarter, subtler AI assistant? Or is this all too futuristic to be practical? Tell me what you think in the comments below. And if you are excited about where AI is heading, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will keep you updated every step of the way. Thanks for watching.